Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic about government vaccination policy. The Union government announced the vaccination policy for everyone above the age of 18 years, aimed a massive second wave of COVID-19 that India is struggling with a grapple gap. So far, the government has been procuring the vaccinations from Serum Institute of India and Bharat Biotech, Covishield and Covaxins for a subsidized prices of rupees 200 and 206 rupees for both the doses, and has been giving it free for states. At the same time, it administered free for the government hospitals and 200 rupees in private hospitals. Now the Union government has said that states can open up the vaccination policy for the people above the age of 18 years. In its announcement, that the government said that it was liberalizing the vaccination policy. It said that instead of vaccine manufacturers selling all their stock to the government, companies such as Serum Institute of India, Bharat Biotech and Reddy's Lab, Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik V will have to sell only 50% to the Union government, and the remaining 50% of the doses have to supply to the respective state governments in the open market. Vaccination shall continue as before, the government said, in vaccination centers. The people above the age of 18 years and 45 years at free of cost at government vaccination centers, and the government has also said that the second dose of vaccination policy will continue and given priority to the people above the age of 45 years. It means that we can choose that the vaccination policy from the private hospitals by paying amount, and at the same time for the priority age, that means the 45 years of age, we can get it for free of cost. Serum Institute of India CEO Adar Poonawalla has said that the price for one dose is 1000 rupees, and approximately the second dose according to the second dose is 2000 rupees. The Sputnik V's cost was decided as 750 rupees for one dose, and approximate to the second dose it was decided as 1500 rupees. The price could be lower once the production was started in India. The Union government said that the state governments, corporate hospitals and the private hospitals will now able to procure the vaccination at the pre-state cost. State governments has to purchase the vaccinations for the same price as it was in open market. From the vaccines, the Union government will procuring the vaccinations. It will be allocated vaccines to the state governments and union territories based on the number of COVID-19 active cases, as well as the performance and the speed of the administration itself. And wastage of vaccine will also be considered in these criteria, and it will affect negatively. Based on these criteria, the state governments of the vaccinations would be decided accordingly